आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello guys, we have evaluate integration of dx upon 1 plus x square root 1 minus x square. So guys, first to break this root, we have to let's take x is equal to 1 by t. If by differentiating both sides we get dx is equal to 1 minus 1 upon t square into dt. Now by putting the value of dx and taking x is equal to 1 by t, we get minus 1 upon t square into dt upon 1 plus 1 upon t square root 1 minus 1 upon t square. Now by further solving it can be written as minus integration of 1 upon t square dt upon t square plus 1 upon t square root t square minus 1 upon t square. Now by taking this t square outside, it become integration 1 upon t square dt upon 1 upon t square into 1 upon t square plus 1 root t square minus 1. Now this t square cancel, and this t, by taking this t in numerator, we get minus t dt upon t square plus 1 root t square minus 1. Now if we take this t square is equal to, if t square minus 1 is equal to u square, and by differentiating both sides we get 2t dt is equal to 2u du. Now this 2 to cancel. Now by putting the value of t dt here, we get minus integration of u du, and from here we can get the value of t square, that is t square is equal to u square plus 1. Now by putting the value of t square is equal to u square plus 2, and t square minus 1 is equal to u square, and this can be, by cancelling a square and root, it become u. Now this u cancel. In next step this can be written as minus du upon u square plus this 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. Now this is same as integration of dx upon x square plus a square, which is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c, where c is equal to, where c is constant. Now by using this formula we can get the solution of this equation, that is minus 1 upon a, that is a is equal to root 2. So root 2 tan inverse value of x here is u, a is equal to root 2 plus c. Now by putting the value of u, that is t square root t square minus 1, we get minus 1 upon root 2 tan inverse root t square minus 1 upon root 2 plus c. Now by putting the value of t, we get minus 1 by root 2 tan inverse 1 upon x square minus 1 root upon root 2 plus c. Now by further solving we get minus 1 upon root 2, tan inverse 1 minus x square root upon root 2 x plus c. So guys, this is the answer. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।